In construction, foundations are mainly classified into two broad types based on depth and load transfer. 1. Shallow foundations. Used when the soil near the surface has enough bearing capacity. A. Isolated pad foundation. Supports a single column. Economical and simple. B. Strip foundation. Continuous strip under load-bearing walls. Common in residential buildings. C. Combined foundation. Supports two or more columns. Used when columns are close together. D. Raft, mat foundation. Covers the entire building area. Used when soil-bearing capacity is low. 2. Deep foundations. PS. Used when strong soil is available at greater depth. PS. A. Pile foundation. Long columns driven deep into the ground. PS. Transfers load to deeper soil or rock. PS. Pier foundation. Large diameter cylindrical foundations. Used for heavy loads. PS. Caisson foundation. Used in bridges and underwater structures.